Alright everyone, so it's day number 3 and I basically added these main suspension hoops. Obviously it's going to be reinforced, but this is how it looks so far. I started doing the brackets for the A-arms. Now what I did was I only did the inside brackets first. And I also left a lot of meat around these brackets, only because I'm going to grind them down later, but I don't know how much I'm going to need or how much so I decided to leave them. So yeah, these are only the insides. There'll be another bracket on the outside. I made the two for the other side. Then I went ahead and made the bottom brackets, which are slightly different. And basically they just slide in like that. But yeah. So the whole frame is welded up. These brackets are tacked in. Everything else is going to be tacked in until we get all the suspension stuff. And then we'll all weld it together. And I'm going to pack it up. It's 5 o'clock on a Sunday. Yo, so I've lost track of how many days it's been, but basically I finished the control arms for the front, and what I noticed is I don't really like how short they're turning out. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to narrow the frame where the front suspension is, and then we're going to make the control arms slightly longer, only because it is pretty wide at the moment, and I don't want it to be too wide, but I also don't want the control arms to be too short. So we're gonna narrow it and then whatever distance we take out here will add to the control arms. So it'll still come out to be the same width as it would now, but I just don't want to compromise and make these too short and then have them look like, you know, under, just have them look weird.